Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting update for developers and data scientists. Google has just released a brand new Colab extension for Visual Studio Code. This means you can now run your favorite Colab notebooks directly inside VS Code, combining the power of Colab's cloud resources with the flexibility of your local development environment. Whether you're prototyping AI models, running experiments, or just want a smoother workflow, this integration is set to make your life much easier. Let's explore how this extension works, what it offers, and how you can get started right away. If you've ever used Google Colab, you know how convenient it is for research, prototyping, and especially for AI-related development. The ability to access powerful CPUs, GPUs, and even TPUs, all preloaded with essential libraries, saves countless hours of setup. Now, with the Colab extension for VS Code, you can seamlessly incorporate these resources into your regular coding workflow. No more switching between browser tabs or struggling with environment setup. Everything is unified within your favorite IDE. The extension was officially announced by Google, and it's already generating buzz in the data science community. With this new tool, you can run notebooks using a Colab kernel directly in VS Code. This opens up new possibilities for both beginners and advanced users, making high-performance computing more accessible than ever. Let's take a look at how to get started with the installation process. Installing the Colab extension is as straightforward as any other VS Code extension. Simply open the Extensions tab in VS Code, search for Colab, and make sure to select the official extension developed by Google. Once installed, you're ready to start leveraging Colab's cloud resources directly from your IDE. This simple installation process ensures that even those new to VS Code can get up and running in minutes. Once the extension is installed, getting started is a breeze. Just create a new notebook in VS Code and select the Colab kernel. This allows you to instantly tap into Colab's computing power without leaving your development environment. Whether you're starting a new project or continuing an existing one, the process is designed to be as smooth and intuitive as possible. Before you can use Colab kernels, you'll need to authenticate with your Google account. The extension guides you through this process, taking you to the Colab web interface to complete the sign-in. This step ensures that your sessions are secure and that you have access to the full range of Colab resources. Once authenticated, you're ready to select your preferred hardware and start coding. Just like on the Colab web platform, you can choose from different types of hardware: CPUs, GPUs, or TPUs. This flexibility allows you to match your computing resources to the needs of your project. Whether you're training deep learning models or running simple scripts, you can easily switch between hardware options within VS Code, making your workflow more efficient and adaptable. After selecting your hardware, you can assign a custom name to your session or stick with the default. This is especially helpful if you're juggling multiple projects or experiments. The extension mirrors the web version's machine options, so you'll always know what resources you're using. Managing sessions is straightforward, ensuring you stay organized and efficient. When you're done with your work, it's important to properly terminate your Colab sessions to free up resources. Simply click on the Colab tab at the top of your notebook and select Remove Server from the drop-down menu. This ensures that you're not wasting valuable Colab resources and helps keep your workflow tidy and efficient. To make sure your kernel is set up correctly, there are a couple of quick checks you can do. Run the command nvidia-smi in a notebook cell to confirm the hardware type. If you're on a GPU or TPU, you'll see the relevant details. This simple step helps you verify that you're using the right resources for your tasks and that everything is running smoothly. Another way to confirm you're on a Colab machine is by checking the installed libraries. Just run pip freeze in your notebook and you'll see a list of pre-installed packages. Colab machines come loaded with popular libraries for data science and machine learning, so you can jump straight into your work without worrying about setup. With everything set up, you're now ready to take full advantage of the Colab extension in VS Code. This integration empowers your workflow, letting you focus on coding and experimentation rather than setup and configuration. Whether you're working on data analysis, machine learning, or deep learning, this tool streamlines your process and boosts productivity. This extension opens up a world of new possibilities. Imagine running heavy AI models, experimenting with data, or collaborating with teammates, all without leaving VS Code. The ability to access Colab's cloud hardware directly from your IDE means you can tackle bigger projects, iterate faster, and explore new workflows that were previously cumbersome or impossible. Beyond regular notebook use, you can leverage Google Colab as a free remote server to host models, such as with Ollama and Gemma 3. This allows you to deploy and interact with AI models remotely, opening up even more advanced use cases. Whether you're building APIs, serving models, or experimenting with deployment, Colab's integration with VS Code makes these tasks more accessible. To sum up, the new Google Colab extension for VS Code is a game changer for anyone working in data science, AI, or software development. It brings together the best of both worlds: Colab's powerful cloud resources and VS Code's flexible development environment. With easy installation, seamless authentication, and robust hardware options, you can now supercharge your workflow and focus on what matters most: building and innovating. Give it a try and see how it transforms your projects.